created heaven and earth. Genesis 1:1. In the beginning, God created heaven and earth. Genesis 1:1.
Sunod. Sunod.
In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. John 1:1.
Ang ganina, unsa to? I am blind.
I am the light of the world. John 8:12.
Oh, sige. Sige, ikaw si ano na, si kani. Sige, imo ha. God
God
is love. First,
John
okay. Jesus
Jesus
wept. John 11:35. Ah, sige, yan ang ganina dyan. I was blind.
I was blind, but now I can see. John 9:25.
At create in me. Create in me.
Create in me a heart,
Clean heart.
a heart, O Lord.
Psalms
Psalms
51:10.
51:10.
Okay, Anton. Parang yung linya taro nga. Sige, Anton. Imo ha. God. Sige, taro nga. God
God
is
love
first. No, saan na no? 4,
for
8. Sunod. Jesus
Jesus wept. God
11:35. Ayaw
ayaw pagpangawat sa God
35.
Jesus
20.
wept.
John
John
11:35.
11:35.
Ayaw
Ayaw
pagpangawat.
pagpangawat
Exodus
Exodus
20:15. Sige, dali, said. Imo said, ayaw pagpatay. Ready. Ayaw pagpatay. O na. Ayaw panapaw. Ayaw pangawat. Ayaw pamakak. Ayaw kaibog. Ayaw kaibog. Exodus 20:13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, sunod ate. Taro nga Zane o Joash.
Jesus wrote John 11:35. God is the Christian for it.
Sunod, imo.
God is the Christian for it. In the beginning, God created in the heavens and the earth. Genesis 1:1.
Ang gabi ganina, I was blind,
I was blind,
but now
but now
I see. John
John
9:25.
9:25.
Sige, Zane.
I was blind, but now I see.
John
John
9:25.
9:25.
Create in me
Create in me a clean heart. Psalms
51:10.
10.
Okay, next Liam. Sige Liam, go. Sige, hold ang mic, dali. Sige Liam, dali. Sige, God. Ang sama na yan? Zia. Okay, sige. Thank you.